Coffee oil, the hidden superpower in your skincare and wellness routine. Think coffee is only for waking up in the morning? Think again. In this powerful video, we uncover the surprising health benefits of coffee oil, from glowing skin to anti-inflammatory properties, and why it's becoming a must-have in natural health and beauty circles. For many, coffee is an essential part of the daily ritual, a beloved beverage that kickstarts the morning. We cherish its aroma and the invigorating boost it provides. But what if we told you that the humble coffee bean holds a secret, a powerful extract with surprising health benefits far beyond your morning cup? We are talking about coffee oil, a concentrated essence derived from roasted coffee beans. This remarkable oil is gaining recognition in the health and wellness world. It offers a unique profile of compounds distinct from the brewed drink. Unlike the beverage, coffee oil is rich in beneficial fatty acids and potent antioxidants. It is extracted through various methods, often cold-pressed or CO2 extracted, to preserve its delicate compounds. This process yields a dark, aromatic oil packed with therapeutic potential. Prepare to discover the surprising ways coffee oil can enhance your well-being. It is a versatile ingredient with applications ranging from skincare to aromatherapy. This natural powerhouse might just become your new favorite health secret. Coffee oil is a true gem for skin health, offering a wealth of benefits. Its high antioxidant content makes it a formidable ally against environmental damage. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which contribute to premature aging. Regular application can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It promotes a more youthful and radiant complexion. The oil supports skin elasticity, helping to maintain firmness and suppleness. Beyond anti-aging, coffee oil possesses soothing properties. It can help calm irritated skin and reduce redness. This makes it beneficial for sensitive or inflamed skin conditions. Its emollient nature also provides excellent hydration. Coffee oil locks in moisture, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth. It contributes to a healthy skin barrier function, protecting against dryness. The benefits of coffee oil extend beautifully to hair care. It can revitalize dull, lifeless strands and promote overall hair health. The oil's stimulating properties are particularly beneficial for the scalp. Massaging coffee oil into the scalp can help improve circulation. Enhance blood flow to the hair follicles, supports healthier hair growth. It provides essential nutrients directly to the roots. Coffee oil also imparts a natural shine and luster to hair. It smooths the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and enhancing manageability. Your hair can look noticeably healthier and more vibrant. Furthermore, the oil helps strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage. It can protect hair from damage caused by styling and environmental stresses. This makes it an excellent addition to any hair care routine. Beyond its topical benefits, coffee oil offers significant advantages through aromatherapy. Its rich, invigorating aroma is instantly recognizable and deeply comforting. Diffusing coffee oil can create an uplifting atmosphere. The scent of coffee oil is known to stimulate the senses and enhance alertness. It can help improve focus and concentration, making it ideal for work or study environments. This natural stimulant provides a gentle mental boost. It also possesses properties that can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. The familiar aroma can evoke a sense of warmth and comfort, promoting relaxation. It offers a unique blend of invigoration and calm. Incorporating coffee oil into your aromatherapy practice can elevate your mood. It provides a natural way to refresh your mind and spirit. This makes it a versatile tool for daily well-being. One of the most significant health benefits of coffee oil lies in its exceptional antioxidant profile. It is packed with powerful compounds like polyphenols and chlorogenic acids. These are renowned for their ability to combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a key contributor to cellular damage and various chronic diseases. The antioxidants in coffee oil help neutralize harmful free radicals. This protective action supports overall cellular health. By safeguarding cells, coffee oil contributes to the body's resilience. It helps maintain healthy bodily functions at a foundational level. This makes it a valuable addition to a health-conscious lifestyle. Its antioxidant capacity is even more concentrated than in brewed coffee. This makes the oil a potent source of these protective compounds. It offers a powerful defense against environmental aggressors. Coffee oil also exhibits notable anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it beneficial for soothing various forms of irritation. It can help calm inflamed skin and reduce redness. For those with sensitive or reactive skin, coffee oil can provide relief. It helps to mitigate inflammatory responses, promoting a more balanced complexion. This contributes to overall skin comfort. Beyond skin, its anti-inflammatory effects may extend to muscle discomfort. Massaging diluted coffee oil onto tired muscles can offer a soothing sensation. It helps to alleviate minor aches and pains. These properties are attributed to specific compounds within the oil, such as diterpenes. They work synergistically to reduce inflammation. This makes coffee oil a versatile natural remedy. While not a miracle cure, coffee oil is often lauded for its potential role in reducing the appearance of cellulite. This benefit is primarily linked to its caffeine content. Caffeine is a well-known stimulant and diuretic. When applied topically, caffeine can help improve blood circulation in the affected areas. Enhanced circulation can aid in the breakdown of fat deposits under the skin. This contributes to a smoother skin texture. Caffeine also has a dehydrating effect on fat cells, causing them to shrink temporarily. This can lead to a temporary reduction in the dimpled appearance of cellulite. Regular application is key for noticeable effects. Many anti-cellulite creams and treatments already incorporate caffeine for these reasons. Using coffee oil directly provides a concentrated, natural source. It offers a holistic approach to skin toning. Integrating coffee oil into your routine is straightforward, but always prioritize safety. For topical use, it's best to dilute coffee oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. A common ratio is a few drops of coffee oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Perform a patch test on a small area of skin before widespread application. This helps ensure you don't have any adverse reactions or sensitivities. Wait 24 hours to observe any redness or irritation. For hair care, mix a few drops into your shampoo or conditioner. Alternatively, create a scalp massage oil by blending it with a carrier oil. Apply before washing or as an overnight treatment. When using for aromatherapy, add a few drops to an essential oil diffuser. You can also place a drop on a cotton ball and inhale periodically. Always ensure good ventilation in the room. Remember, coffee oil is highly concentrated. A little goes a long way. Store it in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency and extend its shelf life. From its origins as a beloved beverage, coffee has truly revealed another dimension of its power through coffee oil. This concentrated extract offers a surprising array of health benefits. It is a testament to nature's incredible versatility. We've explored its remarkable contributions to skincare, promoting youthful radiance and protection. We've seen its potential to revitalize hair, adding shine and strength. Its aromatic qualities offer a unique boost to mind and mood. Furthermore, its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties underscore its value for overall well-being. The potential for cellulite reduction adds another compelling reason to consider this oil. Coffee oil is more than just a byproduct, it's a powerhouse. Embrace the unexpected power of coffee oil and unlock its natural benefits. Whether for beauty, relaxation, or general health support, this unique oil is a valuable addition to any natural wellness regimen. Explore its potential and experience the difference. Your cup of coffee just got an upgrade. Don't miss the hidden magic of coffee oil for your body, skin, and soul. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.